Greetings, everyone. This is Emily from Uni-edit, answering today's question, how do you use semicolons correctly in a list? This video will be about 3 minutes long. Frequently, your research reports will include long lists of complex items. Sometimes, using only commas is insufficient to offset the items. Let's take a look at an example. You'll notice we have marked this sentence incorrect. We had 4 professors on our committee: Harry Plotter, professor of mathematics, Huckleberry Flynn, professor of English, MariAnne Monroe, professor of education, and Chuck Morris, professor of nursing. Again, this sentence is incorrect. You'll notice on the left we have the incorrect sentence that we just looked at, and on the right, a corrected version. We had 4 professors on our committee: Harry Plotter, professor of mathematics, Huckleberry Flynn, professor of English, MariAnne Monroe, professor of education, and Chuck Morris, professor of nursing. Taking this knowledge, let's see if you can figure out the correct sentence on this slide. A or B, which is correct? B is incorrect, meaning A is the correct answer. If you said A is correct, the participants in the first group scored 70 points, the second, 60, and the third, 40. You were correct. Great job. As you can tell, a semicolon serves a purpose in your academic writing more than an informal purpose to create a winky face, as you can see in this simple diagram. Once again, this is Emily from Uni-edit. Have a wonderful day.